Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Cancers. Before we start the reading, Cancers, I would like to wish you all a very happy new year. Hope this year brings lots of happiness, success and prosperity in your life, Cancers. So for your daily energies, Cancers, these are the cards. For your career situation and relationship, these are the cards, guys. So this is for your career situation, and these will be specific to your career situation and relationship, guys. So stay tuned for that. So any doubts you have about your situation, you can get that clarity, guys. So these cards are for your relationship. So let's see what are the cards for your daily reading first. It's Justice, King of Air and Seven of Air. So with these cards in your situation today, guys, it may relate to your career or personal life situation, guys. So today you are going for that independent attitude. You don't want to listen to anyone. You don't want to think as a part of a group. You want that independence, breaking away from that working together, that good communication with others. So you just want to do what you feel is right today, and you want to live on your own terms. So maybe you have to be quite diplomatic, Cancers. That will help you to bring that harmony in your life today, some kind of balance that you need today. So if you are just fighting for your own views, and it may be in your situation, maybe you are seeing your situation through your personal lens. So if you listen to others, it will help you to broaden your view today. So you have to go for that diplomatic attitude today if you want that greater potential in your career or in your personal life. And you are thinking the path, your life clearly, what you need to do today, and you are having that clarity in your situation, and you are working towards that strong foundation that you need in your life, something in your career or personal life. So you are avoiding that impulsive behavior, and you're going for that deep thinking before you step into something, and you are avoiding that passionate choices, something which you love. You are thinking about the pros and cons that will come with that choice, then you are making that choice. So that may be the reason that you are avoiding some difficulties today. But whatever your situation is, what you have reaped is coming, what you have sowed, what you have sowed is coming back to you. That is what you feel in your circumstance today. So whatever efforts or whatever you do, only that which is coming towards you, meant to come towards you, that is the result what you are getting today. So your efforts or your ability, your skill is not having a positive effect on that result. So that is also what I see with these cards, guys. Let us see what are these cards for your career situation. It's Three of Fire, Seven of Fire, Love. So with these cards in your career situation today, guys. You are sharing your views with the people in your work, and you are helping them to work, or they are helping you, and you feel that you are alone. The same thing we saw with the previous cards, guys. So you just want to impose your rules, and you feel that you are the one who has to do that. But sometimes in our work, many people play an important role. We have an important role, the same way other people are also there in our career situation, guys, and we need their help whether we like it or not. So these cards tell us that whether we acknowledge their role or not, there are people helping us in everything that we do today, guys. So this illusion of separation, this loneliness is not true. So you may feel that you are the only one doing everything, but at some point some people are there helping you. You will not be able to do everything in your work. So you have to accept have that acceptance. If you want to go that distance, if you want to endure, have that perseverance in your work situation. So even in those tough times, you will be able to see through if you have that help, and that working as a team. You will expand that opportunities and your potential if you work as a team, guys. That is what I see with these cards for your career situation. So let's see what are these cards for your relationship. 9 of Fire, Star, Patience. So with these cards, it may be what you feel about this person or what they feel about you. So with this person, you have that inspiration, and you feel replenished today, happy to be with them. And maybe for some of you there were times, some difficult times, some kind of misunderstandings, but today you have that happiness. You are simply enjoying. Maybe a few days back or some time back, you were uncertain about how things will go, and whether this is the right relationship or whether this is the right person. You were questioning yourself whether you need this person, re-evaluating the circumstances. So you were having doubts. So some questions you were having in this connection, but today you are happy. Maybe the reason may be your patience. You waited for things to fall into place. So if you truly love this person, you have to be patient, maybe, or you were patient for them to see the truth, that true love that is in your heart for them, and they have come around. So things are going in a positive way, guys, with this relationship. So that is what I see with these cards, Cancers, and that is the reading. I hope this reading resonates. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.